I'ma put him on the news. Goddamn, I don't want no fucking bitch, 'cause I came in the club.
We have 3 important things to discuss in this video. Step 1. Building RWD Drift car. Step 2. Setting up your RWD controls. Step 3. How to drift in RWD. You need to make this car 925 horsepower. Your car specs must be like this. Now burn the tires of your drift car. Spam hit the wall to make the tires 0%. Burning the tires will take 3 to 5 minutes. Here you can check the tire percentage. Open the map and be AFK for 3 to 5 minutes. As you can see, the tires are at 0% now. Copy my gearbox. Copy my center of gravity. Now copy my suspension settings. We are done building a RWD Drift car. Let's proceed to the second step of this video. Now copy my settings. Make your camera into number 5 custom. Now copy my camera settings and save it. We are done setting our RWD controls. Let's proceed to the third step of this video. Use 4th gear in our RWD Drift. Before I start the tutorial, I want to discuss something very important about our RWD drifting. Handbrake is very important thing in our RWD drifting. 1. This will help you initiate drift. 2. Control your drift. 3. Lastly, help you do transition. Let's start now. First, go at full gas. Second, steer to your desired direction. Third, initiate drift. Tap the handbrake to drift. Fourth, sustaining drift. Just countersteer and manage your gas pedal. Watch closely how I control my car in slow motion. Lastly, doing transition. Follow these steps. 1. Steer to the next desired direction plus full gas. 2. Release gas pedal to straighten the car. 3. Steer to desired direction plus handbrake. Lastly, sustain again the drift by countersteering. Now you have completed the steps on our RWD drifting. Watch closely how I control my car. Keep practicing. After this video, you will be able to drift in our RWD.